What's up guys, welcome to TANSAFTECH YouTube channel. So it seems Google want people continue read leaks and rumor about its smartphone, and starting this year, the Mountain View company has decided to offer information about Pixel phone long before their official launch. There is a lot of interest for the upcoming Pixel 4 and Google reckons there is a way to further increase the hype around its flagship by revealing tidbits of information about the device. In previous leaks, Google themselves confirms and posted the image on their official account on Twitter about the backside of the device, in which they have confirmed that most leaks are claiming for the camera, and the camera coming this year in a Pixel 4 will be in square shape. Moving on, today Google has shared a video and an image of the upcoming Google Pixel 4. The company has revealed details about the technology behind two new features which are coming in Pixel 4. These are face unlock and a gesture control. Gesture control will be based on soli, which is a motion sensing radar that typically used to detect planes and other large objects. Google has managed to create the small version of motion radar and put it on the top of the Pixel 4 so that the phone can sense the small motion, and with the help of the software, Pixel 4 can detect a gesture and detects when user is nearby. This motion sensor will allow users to skip songs, snooze alarms and silence phone calls by simply waving their hands. Google also mentioned that the motion sensor will be available in select Pixel countries. Next is face unlock, a new feature coming to Pixel 4. Thanks to soli, Pixel 4 recognizes user face and unlock the phone itself in a more streamlined way. In current technology, user has to lift up the phone all the way up to unlock, pose in a certain way and wait for it to unlock. But however, in Pixel 4 will turn on the face unlock feature as you reach and recognize user to unlock the phone as you picked it up, all in one motion. The other best thing is you can unlock the phone in any orientation, vertically or horizontally. Face unlock, as Google claims on its blog, will be secure and quicker. Facial recognition technology will process the image directly on the phone and the data obtained never leaves the phone. As you can see in the image, we have many things tagged on the top front of the camera. It has two face unlock IR cameras, a front facing camera, an ambient light, a proximity sensor, audio port, a soli radar, face unlock, dot projector and a face unlock flood illustrator. Wow man, we have so many on the top front of the Pixel 4, and in that the most important recognized one is the force sensor just for face unlock. In case if you are wondering what is flood illustrator and dot projector, well, the flood illustrator shines in infrared light at your face, which allow the system to detect whoever is in front of the phone, even in a low light situation or if a person is wearing glasses. Whereas a dot projector is basically a structured light source that has one or two flash components which emit a premeditated light pattern on the face, and all this happen in a few milliseconds. So every time you use a face unlock, the infrared camera captures the dot structure and neural engine matches it with the original map. As random images coming and people are complaining about the chin on the top of the Pixel 4 is an old-fashioned design, but looking what inside the chin, we can say it will be not possible to put all that thing in one place without the chin. Furthermore, all images are stored locally in a titanium M security chip and no image will be shared with the Google services. Although both features revealed today are far from being new for the smartphone industry, it looks like Google approach will make the difference. In theory, face unlock is faster way to open your smartphone than the fingerprint scanner, but only if the technology works just like Google described. Google say that the Pixel 4 will officially introduced in fall, but we are expecting the phone to be available on the market at some point in October. So there is a lot of time Google can use to unveil even more new features that will be packed inside the upcoming flagship. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing and I will meet you in the next video. Peace out.